Sino po yung pupunta ng Baguio mamaya? Oo, si Miss Yuki, Miss Casey. Oo. Anong oras po ang inyong, competition? High bar po ito, Tama po, oo. Yes, oo, diretso na kayo after nito. Oo nga, grabe yun. So, tatlo po kayong official candidate. Tapos, kayo rin yung judge. Yes, oo, ayan. Yung tatlo pwede bukas sa Pinoy, Pusong Pinoy. Yes, we have the Miss Reyna ng mga Reyna. Yes, naman. And on April 21, kung gusto niyo po bumalik here in Cabanatuan City for Miss Gay Kaalibangbangan. Yes, oo. April 21, yes. Miss Gay Kaalibangbangan. So, opo. 1:08 in the morning. Oo. Mga 3:30 travel going to Baguio. 2. Oo, 2:30. Yes. Yung price po, same pa rin. Oo. Bali po yung fifth runner-up. So, gagawin po namin is Mutya ng Bita, si fifth runner-up. She will receive a crown and 4,000 pesos. Oo, naka-ready ng mga organizer. Oo, bawal kasing bawasan yung na-post na. Yes, and our fourth runner-up and third runner-up, they will receive a sash, crown, bouquet of flowers, and 5,000 pesos. And our second runner-up, she will receive a sash, crown, and 10,000 pesos. Our first runner-up, she will receive a sash, crown, and 15,000 pesos in cash. And our title holder, Queen of Pitas 2025, she will receive a sash, crown, bouquet of flowers, and 20,000 pesos. Grabe, Bawal po kasing bawasan. Thank you, Miss Yen. Oo.
Alam organizer.
Oo, ayan. Sige. Meron na po bang result? Ayan, nagpapapirma na.